Are you looking for a jigsaw puzzle storage book? We've got this one right here. Figured that I'd show this thing off to y'all today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. Oh, wow. And if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that helpful for me right there. So this is it. Wow, okay, so it's got two big elastic bands on the front right here. That way it stays nice and closed. It does have a handle on the spine right here that you can easily pop up so you can carry it with you wherever you need to go with this. And let me go ahead and get some dimensions for you guys on this, just so that you get a good idea of the size of this thing. This is a 31 inch by 23 inch right here. So it's a nice big way to store your jigsaw puzzles. So the elastic bands come all the way out, just like that. It says where every puzzle is a treasure. They recommend, or they have it for 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzles here. I'll go ahead and turn this towards y'all and we'll open it on up. And you can see that you have a nice big opening right there. Of course, it has some foam over the little nougats right here so that those don't get messed up in shipping. They don't get bent or damaged in any way. And just kind of like a school notebook binder, these are just rings that you simply pop on open like that. And then you have a nice big page right here to be able to put your puzzle on the inside, which is super cool. There goes that. This book is nice and big, but you can see how it's got this insert right here in this one to give it a little bit of a backing, and then you also have, to show you what it would look like, but then you also have a whole bunch of pages right here to be able to add more puzzles to. And of course you can do back and front on these as well, since puzzles are pretty thin. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pages right here. And if you're doubling it up with your puzzles, then you could easily fit 30 giant puzzles in this book right here. And this is just a great way to kind of showcase all the work that you've done on all of your puzzles that you have. Got a nice good cover right here. It's that like plasticky type of material. It's really tough, and so that's gonna last you a long time. You don't have to worry about it, like, you know, if it was paper or something like that, it would tear on you and all that type of stuff. But you get 2, 4, 6, 8 rings all the way around here going up and down the pages. I believe that this comes in a few different colors and styles and whatnot. So if you're looking for a particular style, definitely go and check out the product listing below and see all the ones that they have available. I don't know if they make it in different sizes or not, like how, you know, big, wide, and all that type of stuff. But y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for. Hey, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart if you're looking for a way to store all your puzzles that you have. Thank you to this company for sending this to me so I could show this off to y'all. And dad out.